This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas, and I am attempting to reorient my camera angle, so I'm sorry if I'm a little limited on space. I have created 3 pans of color in pink, yellows, oranges, and purple and blue with green, and I'm going to use them. And I'll include all the colors I put in each pan underneath the video, but I'm going to use them in dribbles. I'm going to try and experiment one at a time. Oh boy, I'm nervous. By using, instead of using a black base paint, which I might want to, if this doesn't work well, I'm going to start somewhat, I was going to say in the middle, but it's not the middle. Anyway, we got to start somewhere, so we might as well start here. I'm going to use some of the Mayan gold from Colourarte. There is a Colourarte coupon code below the video, should you be interested in using that. I'm going to try and do these one at a time, because I can't imagine a better way to do it. I've got coffee spoons. I think you could use whatever would fit into your container. And I'm hoping I have enough paint. And I'm not sure about anything right now, so I'm just going to leave that. Maybe I'll do more than one of these at a time. I've put registration marks on the canvas with a little dot of chalk. I've never done this before, so this is completely scary. And I can only do, the other 2 registration marks are here, so maybe I'll move over and do one more blue over here. It took me seemingly 10 or 15 minutes to set up my colors at least. So that's why I didn't share that process with you. I hope I chose right too. I don't have a lot left. I might as well go for it. All on one side and then go back and do the other side. Alright, what's last? I guess the blue will be last. I did pull out a shovel to use on the blue since it was in a wider container. And I'm going to use a large spatula to swipe with. I kind of want some gold. I didn't think I did, but I do. Well, I'm going to do this with the white first, because we've got to see how it starts out. Well, that worked. So far, so good. Let's scrape off my colors and wipe off my paddle. Do it again. I hope it's as cool the next time as it was that time. It's Atelier black and Amsterdam white. I should have wiped off my paddle on the edge of the canvas, but you know what, I've still got some paint in my dish that I'm going to do that with right now. Who knows what this is going to look like. I did pre-prime the canvas black. I'm not minding how the black and white look together, so I guess I'm going to skip the gold for now because there is a little bit of gold in my mixes. I'm going to have to do it twice. Not sure how I'm going to feel about this at all. Completely whole new ball game. You got to get outside your comfort zone once in a while to make things work out. I'm nervous about choosing my next colors. I probably should have planned them in advance. Okay, so one side down. I thought I was going to keep more negative space than I think I am going to keep. That's my opinion anyway. Hopefully I can do the same thing. I've got to split the difference on the ones that I didn't leave enough room for. I think they're going to interrupt each other. But it might look really cool. Cross your fingers, please. I'm not unhappy so far. So I think I want pink on the end. I kind of want pink on both ends, actually. Which might be okay if I have enough paint left. We'll see right now. You could do that. You could put your paint in saucers. You could put it in all kinds of containers. Certainly don't need to do it the way I'm doing it. I need a little bit of a Princeton art tool or something. I am looking for, there we go, I got it. I think that can go in the bucket now too. So what do we got left? I need more yellow than I have. I can do yellow next. And I guess I'm going for the pink. I'll just scrape out everything. I'm not sure I gave myself enough paint. And I am mixing my spoons up now. Which by the time you get to the center is okay. They look kind of like lollipops at the moment. I wonder what would happen. I'm going to open the gold and use some of it. Let's see what happens. It's open. Usually I would add another color, but we have so many colors in the paint mix. Oh, that was a lot. I guess a lot is a good thing considering what I'm seeing. Basically only using the front edge. I didn't use the gold like I said I was going to. Wow. Okay, brain cramp. Let's do it now. So far I'm not minding how the Vivid Polypore looks. I don't see any gold in there, but that doesn't mean I shouldn't try it again. Maybe I'll put the gold in between the white and the black. Maybe I shouldn't use the white at all once. Pretty sure the Vivid Polypore is just going to look glossy wherever. This is strange here. I have a gap. Evidently I should have measured better. Still not seeing any gold in there. I didn't think this was going to be a stage 1 anything, but you never know. I want to steal some paint, but I don't have much paint to steal. Let's take whatever I can get out of my scrape dish. One more and then we'll see what we see. I'll have to figure out if I want to do something else. I could run my spatula through, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about anything right yet. I think I could have definitely used more paint colors, more color, more paint. And in my room, I got to turn that fan off. I keep forgetting and leaving my fan on, and as long as it's on, it starts to dry out the paint. I'm thinking, I'm not in love with this yet, so I'm thinking about taking some Indian spice. Some cell activator. Seeing that was not what I had in mind. I don't know that I can actually drag paint over cell activator and have it activate anything. I suppose I could tip. I'm not sure what that would do for me at this point. Let's grab a little gold and see what that does. That's the Indian spice. That's what I was intending on using a moment ago. I want to grab a straw. Bring up some of those colors. I am not overly confident at this point. I do have 3 minutes left to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork. This one might not be for sale. Not yet anyway. Not until I figure out how to make it something I'm in love with. It's getting better. It is. But I'm not sure I can finish in 3 minutes either. I'm also not sure you're going to see what I'm doing if I move my canvas wrong, since my camera angle is a little different than usual. I kind of want to turn that around so I can work on this other side. So I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me, even to try weird things that don't work. But that's how we find out, I guess. Silicone spatula works to move paint better than this spatula does for me, because this has a cutting edge on the front and it catches on everything. So I'm trying to steal paint and that's not working very well. I'm going to keep putting down my gold. And I think this time I'm going to go ahead and use some white again, because I've got that black, the gold in there already. Maybe I could use that sideways. It's a thought. So, it is what it is, and it's going to be more than this because I'm going to probably add some spirals because they usually make me feel better. And they might just save the day. I do kind of want to tip a little bit and see what happens. And we do have some nice things happening when I do that. I've got 1 minute left. So don't forget the 20% off Colourarte coupon code underneath the video. I should get in there and shimmer this at you. I want to let that drip off. I think it's going to be a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to give it a few more spirals and drag a few lines out. But I think it's better than I thought by far. I was panicking. Please forgive me. Alright, so if I'm going to shimmer this at you, I'm going to do it darn soon. And I think I'm going to run out of time, no doubt about it. Check out my link tree underneath the video. I can't do a whole lot of shimmering anyway, to tell you the truth. Wow, there's some awesome stuff in there. Expect more spirals when you see this again. Look at those cells. Wow. I don't know what you can see. Like I said, my camera angle has changed for this particular piece. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.